Dear friends, today I'm going to show you the way I renovated and designed the old fish pond in my courtyard with water lettuce and ornamental fish. Removing water every 2 weeks will give more healthy fish, and trimming the roots of water lettuce or any other water plants will give cleaner and brighter atmosphere for the fishes to live longer and healthier. Started cleaning the pond where it was completely filled with fish waste and excess growth of water lettuce made to cover the top layer of the fish pond, which blocked oxygen from the air. Gently remove the fully grown up plants named water lettuce, which I planted in my pond 6 months before. It took only 6 months to completely spread the water lettuce, where I planted only 5 plants in my pond. Removed all the wastewater using fish net and plastic mug, then captured the remaining fishes safely and collected in a water-filled bucket. The color of the water has turned black and the pH value has increased to 10, which is alkaline that may kill all the fishes living inside the pond. The remaining water was drained well, since fish waste has turned to ammonia, which is dangerous to the fish inside the pond. The water from fish pond is very good for the grass and the plants to grow and flourish faster. See, one of my fish is alive and I collected it in a bucket. Filled the pond with fresh water and dried the pond. Again filled and kept for 5 hours to get the water normalized. Now the pond is ready, and see, the color of the water is milky, since I used aquatic pH reducer aquarium water conditioner to decrease the pH level to 7. The water plants that were kept aside has to be trimmed at its roots to get a correct length and shape and to avoid unnecessary growth of the plants. Water lettuce usually clean the water, but if we grow more fishes, avoid excessive number of water plants which may block the oxygen entry to the water. I am keeping our live fish to the pond, where we should take more caution to let the pond temperature be the same as the fish bucket water temperature, which I had explained in my previous video. Now started keeping each water lettuce to the pond as floating plants, since the roots were already cut. The waste roots can be used to cover the live roots of the big plants as fertilizer. See how we arranged our old fish pond by just spending 3 hours, and allow the family to spend as much time outside the home in these lockdown days. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to find me again with my new videos.